Welcome to the n8n series.
Powered by PcomLap.
Stop trading your time for tasks. You're leaking time, and I'm here to plug the holes.
From daily morning reminders to viral Insta Reels, we don't just work hard. We use simple tools to build complex systems.
Stop being a scrappy builder. Become a strategic partner. Diagnose the problem. Prescribe the automation. That is how you scale.
Then we build real systems, multi-app workflows that run your business.
Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner,
I just want to help you automate, build faster, and work smarter.
Where we stop working hard and start automating everything. Let's learn this n8n with PcomLap.